am Ramesh, retired Assistant Commissioner of Police. I was a patient of Dr. A.R. Ramachandran. I was taking treatment with him. Even now I am taking the medicines whatever he prescribed to me. I just came to know about this app. This app is very useful and we are able to have the discussion with the doctor in person very easily right from the house itself. So it is a very useful app by which our history is also maintained, and whatever the doctor changes the medicine or the advice whatever he gives, all is being recorded in that. Our test report is also recorded in this. So we need not have a separate file for our test and other things. It is a very useful app which we are appreciating the doctor and the service.